we just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love to have a chance to show you why our customers write these reviews for us. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.